Hello everyone, so today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a reel on Instagram. If you don't know what a reel is basically a 15 to 30 second short video clip. It really is a great way to interact with your Instagram followers as well as reaching new and potential customers and gaining additional followers. You can post pretty much anything to a reel. If it's a video or a image, you can do a collection of images together to create a short little video clip. You can promote your product images. You could do a little DIY video. You can really just be creative, and it really shows on your views. The more creative you are, the better your views will be, and you really do have the potential to interact with all of your followers. And it really is just a great little fun tool that you can use on Instagram. So how we're going to create a reel today is on the top right hand corner there is a plus sign. So I'm just going to click on the plus, and that opens to the Create New dashboard. What we can do here is either create a feed post, a story highlights, an IGTV video, a reel, or a guide. So I'm going to click on Reel, which is going to open up to the camera, and we're going to look at the left hand side icons, which is the menu options. We first have the option to add music. You can add a song to your video. You can also select if you want your video to be 15 or 30 seconds. Your speed, I'm going to take that off. Then you can also choose effects. So as you can see at the bottom here, there are plenty of effects that you can add to your video. You can also choose to have different layouts, sort of like a grid view. I'm just going to take those off because we're not going to use that. And then over here is the timer. So you can set a timer. If you want to plop your phone onto a tripod, stand at a distance, you don't have access to your phone, you can add a timer and you can do a little video that way. That is a great tool to use. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a simple reel today, but I am going to be using the music options that are available. You really do want to think about a great song that will complement the video that you are posting. It's always better to have a song that's maybe going viral at the moment. That's a great way to also increase your views when posting a video, is if the content that you're posting is also viral content. So what I'm going to do is just show you all the songs that Instagram has available. So these are the categories. You can go see more, and then you can just look at all of these great songs. Let me just go back there. The song that I'm going to add is in my save collection. So how to build up a save collection is if you're scrolling through reels, you're just browsing through. At the bottom left hand corner, you will see the song that certain Instagrammers will add to their reel. If you click on that song, you then have the option to save it. So that's what I've done here. I've saved these songs, and I'm going to choose Sunday Best as the song that's going to go alongside my reel video. As you can see at the bottom, it's sort of going through the song. It's only a snippet of the song, and that is the section that I want to add to my reel. So once you've gone through the section, you're just going to click done. And now that song is loaded in the background. As you can see, where the music icon used to be, there is now a little colorful square that has our song loaded. The bottom left hand corner, you can see that blue plus. I'm going to click it, and this is where I have all of my images and videos. So as you can see here in my gallery, I have a few images of our lovely influencer Lisa Lux, who went on a Moroccan cooking class. and I want to create a reel just using the images that she sent me. So this is Lisa. This is one of the images. I'm going to add it. As you can see at the top right hand corner, it says add. Now I've got one video. You just keep going back to that blue plus, keep on adding your images. Very simple. I'm going to add a few more. I want to add all of the ones that she sent me, just to have a nice little variety of images. Okay, now I'm on the last one. So that was 5 images. Will be about 5 seconds each because I chose to do a 15-second video. Then I'm just going to choose the right hand side, and this is what the reel is going to look like. As you can see, it's just going through the images, which is great. The song that I chose, Sunday Best, is going to be playing in the background. And now what I want to do is use the top menu. So the A is you can type something. I'm not going to type anything for this reel. The squiggle you can draw. I'm not going to be drawing anything for this reel, but I do want to add in a sticker. So as you can see, Lisa was at a cooking class. So I'm going to choose cooking, and there's all these lovely little icons that I can choose from. And I think I'm going to choose this one, Let's Cook. And I'm going to put it in the side here so it's not too noticeable. Still want to see it, but don't want to distract from the images that I have placed in my reel. Once I'm done, I'm just going to choose the right hand arrow again, and then I can select my cover. So your cover is what everyone will see when viewing your reel on your feed page. And this is the video, but you can select, sections from your video that you maybe want as your cover. I think this is great because we had 2 guests here, and it just looks like they're having an absolute amazing time, on their cooking class. So I'm going to choose that one. Here we can write a caption. You could tag, whoever's in your video. Maybe you wanted to tag your business, the product, talk about the product, talk about the experience, whatever it is that your business sells. Or if this is a personal page, just what you were doing in the video is fine. You can then share to your feed, so that will share to your Instagram main feed. You can crop the image, which is great. You can tag people, so I'm going to click on the plus and tag Lisa Lux, which is great. Now Lisa's tagged. I can go to stories. You can share to your story. You can share to close friends, or you can simply just send it to, one of your followers or someone who you're following in messages. So I'm just going to go back. So let's look. So this is the reel that we've put together. I'm not going to write a caption yet because I'm not going to post it as yet. But once you're done, you will just click share. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. If you haven't yet tried out reels, I really suggest that you do so and just have fun with it and be creative. Until next time, bye.